Hi everyone! Welcome back to another vlog, and for our today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I created this olive green smoky eye makeup. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already did my base makeup off cam. I applied some foundation, concealer, and set it with some powder. And I also did my eyebrows off cam. So now, I'm gonna proceed to do the eye makeup. So for my eyeshadow, I'll be using this mint chocolate palette from Revolution. And for my transition shade, I'll be taking this shade.
Start applying the shade in the outer part of the crease and then slowly dragging that in the inner corner and then keep blending back and forth. And then keep building that shade on the crease.
So before we apply the next shade, I'm just gonna apply some base booster on my lid. This is from Beach Cosmetics. And I'm gonna take this shade and apply that on my lid. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this shade, this is dark green, and apply that a little bit of it on the outer corner of my eyes.
This smoke out and give definition to my eyes. Then get a clean brush and blend all the edges.
Okay, so I'm just gonna tighten my upper and lower lash line with this Milani Cosmetics Stay Put eyeliner. Okay, so for my mascara, I'll be using this Essence You Better Work Length Definition Mascara.
You can also curl your lashes first before applying your mascara.
I'm just gonna take this shade again and apply that on my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this shade, dark green, and apply that also on my lower lash line. Okay guys, so I just put my falsies off cam.
So now we can apply mascara on my lower lashes.
Okay, so I already also applied some contour and blush on and some highlight. So now I'm just gonna apply my lipstick, and this is from Essence Color Boost Matte About Matte Lipstick. Okay, so lastly, I'm just gonna spray some makeup setting spray. This is from Luxe Organic Beauty Mist by Antlutz. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and sana nagustuhan itong makeup look na na-create ko. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye!